let me go to settings. So there we have the phone settings. When you get to settings, because you may be using a different phone, your settings and how they appear may be different. Over here we have network and internet. So this is where you would go. Some phones have connections. They've written either internet connections or network and connections, something like that. So open that place and look for mobile network. If your phone doesn't have mobile network but it has displayed SIM 1 and SIM 2, then go to the SIM that you're going to use for this setup. So I'll click on mobile network, and at the bottom I have the liberty to choose either SIM 1 or SIM 2. So because I am using SIM 1 for my internet supply or for my data, I have it selected. Then I will go to access point names. So that is the APN. We call it APN. So access point names. And as you can see, we have the default access point set for MTN Ghana. Currently what I am using. But for this setup to work well, you would have to create a new APN setting. So you go to this plus. Some phones, they've written add, ADD. But this one is plus. So you tap on it, and that will open edit access point form for you. The first one is the name, and it follows like that. We're going to do just 3 changes over here. The first one is the name. And for the name, I'm going to write the network I'm using, which is MTN in capital letters. Then APN. For APN, write MMS in small letters. Okay. Then you now scroll down. Some of them, the third one may be the APN type. But in my case, it will be at the bottom somewhere here. There we have it, APN type. So for APN type, you write default. Then you tap on OK. As soon as you make these 3 changes, tap on the 3 dots at the top right corner and choose save. So as you can see, a new APN has been added to what was there. Now let's change and select that one by tapping on this radio button. So tap on it, and as you can see, the new one is selected. So you can close the settings. Now let me show you something here. When you come to settings and you are not sure where you can get the APN, which is the access point and the rest, search for it. At the top of the settings, you will see a search bar. Tap on it and search for access. This should help you locate where the access point is. Okay. So as you can see, I have access point names here over here. Yes, so that is the shortcut. Search for it, then tap on it. This is where I can now access the access point names, and you choose the SIM, either SIM 1 or SIM 2. And anytime you want to use your normal data, come back here and switch it off from this to that. And now when it's here, you would be using your normal data. But when it's here, you are using the unlimited free data. I hope that is very, very clear. Now, if you are using the VPN, but your data is still being consumed, it means you have not set the right APN. Go back to settings and do that. Thank you for staying with me, and enjoy free and unlimited data. If you need any assistance, do not hesitate to reach out to me or leave comments, and I would respond to you. Thank you. Bye-bye.